Hello, I'm doing Mary Lucy Cartwright. My name is Ivan Linares. There's a picture of her. And Life of Mary Lucy Cartwright. Mary was born on December 17th of the 1900s in Ironhoe, North Hamptonshire. She had four siblings named John, Nigel, Jane, and William. Her education was at the University of Oxford and St. Hugh's College. She died on the 3rd of April in 1998 in Cambridge, England. Mary Cartwright was the first woman mathematician to be elected to the Royal Society. She became mistress of Girton College in Cambridge. Mary Cartwright's father was William Digby Cartwright, and at the time of Mary's birth, he was the vicar at Ironhoe. Yeah. Her mother was Lucy Harriet Maud Cartwright. Life events. Mary Cartwright was sent away to school, first attending Leamington High School. She was only 11 years old when she was sent off, then later attending Godolphin School in Salisbury. Her best subject in school was history, but it had its disadvantages of being hard work. Once Mary was encouraged to study mathematics, she then realized that this subject was where one could succeed without the long hours of learning and studying. In October 1919, Cartwright entered St. Hugh's College in Oxford to study mathematics. At that time, there were only five women studying mathematics, so she was only one of five of the women that were in that college that were studying mathematics. And it was a very difficult time for Mary to get into the classrooms and get through the study hall because of all the big crowds of all the new students and the men coming back from the army trying to get back into learning in school. And so she had to copy off notes from others to be able to get the notes that were going on in the study halls that she wasn't able to get to. So the Edwardian Era. From 1900s to 1999, Mary Lucy lived through the 1900 to 1998, which was known as the Edwardian Era. Some of the events that took place during this time were the Great Depression, World War II, and the San Francisco earthquake. The chaos theory. Mary Cartwright was the modest soul of one of the early founders of chaos theory. The chaos theory, which emerged in the 1970s, was impacted several aspects of real life in its short life. Thus far, it continues to impact all sciences. For instance, it has helped answer previously unsolvable problems in the quantum mechanics and cosmology. It has also revolutionized the understanding of heart, arrhythmias, and brain function. And the equation for the chaos theory is x equals ax plus by plus e, and then y equals cx plus dy plus f. Conclusion. In conclusion, Mary Cartwright was only 11 years old when she got shipped off into high school. There, she was good in history courses of her school. She later was encouraged to start studying mathematics. She never really thought about doing it, but she later found out that it was less time consuming and fun to learn. She later attended Oxford to study in mathematics. She never. Wait, I said that already, so. But she later found that it was less time consuming and fun to learn. She later attended Oxford to study in mathematics. She had a hard time with all the packed study halls and classrooms that she had thought about. After all that, she had thought about going back to studying history, but then she thought back to herself about all the work and time consuming and all the hours that it took to study for history. And then she just decided to stick to mathematics. And after she graduated, she came back to teach students at Oxford and later on discovered the chaos theory, which has helped many other scientists and mathematicians still to this day.